Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you another Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 that you can do this week. Yes, 5 off of 25 that you can do this week. I received a 5 off of 25 that you can do Monday through Friday. Also, there is a 5 off of 25 that you can do Saturday by itself. But this week is burning. Do you hear me? Burning this week. So I've already done 2 other videos, which I had 2 hauls in one video and then another. Go ahead and check those videos out and you can get you some savings, okay? As long as you got that 5 off of 25 and do exactly what I'm saying, you will be great, okay? You will be really great. So first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals, okay? On the low. So this deal is 5 off of 15 for the Colgate brand items. Then 5 off of 25 on top of that. Okay, y'all? Now, when you're doing these type of deals, when there's a 5 off of 15 offer, and then there is the 5 off of 25, you want to get your items up to almost like $30. Okay? So all of your money can come off. Because I know I see some people get it up to like $26.50, $27. But it just seemed like for me now, it's like I need to get it up to 30. Okay, because my first haul that I did for this week, I didn't get it up to 30. I did just the 25. I think it was $25.50. It only took off my 5 off of 15. So I have to make sure that I'm getting it close up to $30 or maybe over. So this one is way over $30. Okay. So my savings is almost 30. Okay. So that should tell you. So let's go ahead and get to this video. Okay. So the first thing let's do the 5 off of 15. Let me scoot this over. So these items right here is Colgate. They are $4 a piece. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching to that, okay? So then also the Fabulosos, they are $4.50 each, and there is a $2 off of 2 digital coupon that is attaching. So this is way over $15. And so my 5 off of 15 did come off, okay? Did come off, and I'll show you that. So then the next thing, I'm going to incorporate some more things with a high coupon out of pocket, a high coupon to make the item a little cheaper, and then one that is a freebie, okay? So the next thing that I got was this degree. This degree, it is the 1.6 ounce. I think it's 1.6 ounce. The degree is, let's see, $4, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. And this is one of those small degrees too, okay? A little small degree. Then the next thing you want to get is the Energizers. It's got to be the 4-pack. You can either get AA or AAA. So I got another AA, which I had done before. This is $5, and there is a $3 digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing, let's put that on there. The next thing is this good old Vaseline, this Cocoa Butter Radiant Vaseline oil. Okay, it's a body oil. And this body oil, oil is fire, okay? It is fire. So it is $6.50. There is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. Then the last thing I got was this Airwick advanced plug-in warmer. Now this is $4, and then I had a digital coupon that I had from a while ago, and it is actually free. Okay, so it came out free, and I was loving that because I was trying to find that for the longest and I couldn't. So I finally went into this $1 general store that is kind of close to my home, and I forgot all about that Dollar General because I usually don't go down this certain busy street that we have. It's called Broadway. And I was like, you know what? I haven't even tried that. And that's still an old store with an old receipt. So I said, I haven't tried that store before. And honey, I'm going back, okay? Because I got one more number that I can do for Monday through Friday. And then, you know, I do have the 5 off of 25s for Saturday. So I'm just getting all my stuff together. So, I mean, if y'all are trying to coupon out here, do you all, like I said, a stockpile, this week is a great week. Even next week, hopefully, will be a great week with coupons. But I know we're going to get another 5 off of 25 for the whole week for next week. So, after she scanned everything, I put my number in. Y'all, my subtotal was $7.50. Yes, $7.50 for all of this. You cannot beat it, okay? You cannot beat it. So let me show you my receipt. So there is all my stuff. There it is, $7.50. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look how much I saved. Total savings, $29. Can I say hello? $29. Then there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. And then for next week, from next week, starting, I think it's Monday on the 22nd, there's a 5 off of 25 for all next week, honey. Hopefully we get some good coupon Sunday. I'll be doing it again, y'all. I'll be doing it again. So long as we getting this, honey, I'm going to bring it to you all, okay? So this right here is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now with the 5 off of 25. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Channel.